Good day, everyone. My name is Fu Kailing. Today, I will present my case study for malware and intrusion detections. The title of my case study is Malware Detections and Educations. In this presentation, I will explain the phishing scam problem, my phishing SMS and email analyze tool, and my proactive banking approved prototype. Part 1. Problem statement. The main problem in this case study is the increased number of scam activities, especially phishing SMS and fake banking messages. Scammers often send messages that look like them come from banks. These messages usually mention unknown transactions, broker account review, broker account refund, reverse, or urgent verifications. The purpose is to make victims panic. When the victim is afraid, they may call a fake number, click on phishing link, or share sensitive information such as OTP, PIN, password, or online banking details. This is dangerous because phishing is not only a technical attack, it is also a social engineer attack. The attacker manipulate the user and emotion, especially fear, urgency, and confuse. Part 1A. Assure you are the attack hacker. Explain in details what is your plan to make this scam happen. For my first step will be to get personal information for 1 to 8 possible victims, user, or methods of communicate with people, SMS, email, social media, and for compromise data source, both electronic and paper. If I found I have access to personal healthcare information and details of address for potential victims that can include name, address, date of birth, telephone number, and bank account number. I will use this information to make my scan as convincing as possible. Next, I will develop a fake message that look like it comes from an usual finance institutions or government agency. Verify account submitted. Your account has been submitted. You need to verify your account. In many of these messages, I will indicate to the potential victim that the individual has frozen their bank account and or their account has been used in a fraudulent transactions and must be confirmations. As a scammer may use a fake agency with link in an email for directing someone to a fake bank webpage that will look like of the customer real bank to request that the victims enter the customer name, password, and the authentication code so that the victim's account can be unfrozen or verified. When the victim completed the entrance of their credential as well as their authentication code, the SV now has an authorized access to the victim's online bank account and can use to store credentials to conduct fraudulent transactions to make to take the money for the returns and transfer the stolen fund through different third party to hide the money flow before the funds and are deposited into the criminal bank account. For the part 1B, as if you are the security specialist expert, what are the countermeasures you should recognize to the public for the scam above? As a security specialist, I recognize some ideas. First, users should not click links for SMS, email, or social media message without verifications. If they receive a bank alert, they should open the official banking apps manually or contact the bank use the official hotline. Second, bank should provide regular scam awareness campaigns. This can help users identify phishing messenger, fake link, and suspicious phone number. Third, banking education should use stronger authentication methods such as two-factor authentication, biometric verifications, and suspicious login attack. Fourth, banks should notify users when there is an unusual login for a new device, different locations, or suspicious network. For the last one, users should remember the bank will never ask for OTP, PIN, password, TAC, or full banking details through SMS or phone call. For the part 1C, now you are the normal user of bank. Please give creative idea to bank and government on how to improve their banking apps. First, a banking app should use stronger biometric verification such as fingerprints or 3D faces recognitions, especially for large transfer charging account, starting or adding a new receiver. Second, users should be allowed to set their own daily transactions limit. If a transaction is above the limit, the app should request extra verifications or apply a short cooling off period. The banking app should have a built-in scam reporting features. User can quickly report suspicious SMS, calling, WhatsApp, uh, website, or unknown transactions inside the app. Besides that, banks should include scam educations in the app, such as real scam example, security tips, and reminder before user make transfer. Bank can also make learning more interesting by using edit scam quizzes, batch point, or review. For the last, banking app should send instant alert for unsure login, suspicious transactions, or account change. For the second, for the part two, proactive malware and internet detections. You are requested to design a prototype flowchart or apps using existing tools or tools that developed by yourself for productive malware of an intruder detections. You will be expected to perform the following as well as other related tasks. For the A part, create a specialist malware detection tool for analyze phishing SMS and email. Run the incoming suspicious content through these tools for analyze, and finally deliver a classifications report to the user indicating whether the content is safe or malicious. This is my phishing SMS and email analyze tool. We can try load a sample. It will show, it will send by like Maybank. Thank you for you use card endings for the transaction to the Google Pay. If you did not have the transactions, you will get the form immediately, or click the link to log in. Okay, we try to scan. Okay, here we show the complete report. It will show the detections, got phone, email no, so we got the link and the phone. And this is not the official hotline for the bank. The official hotline is this, and the message mention a bank or financial institutions. Message user urgent or fair-based language, and also mention sensitive data, OTP, password, or login. Ask, and also ask user to click verify, update, call, or login. A message is related to money transfer, refund, or transactions. And the phone number did not match the official bank hotline. Also got the link detections. And here we'll show the recognitions, and did not click the link, did not click call the number, and don't share the OTP, PIN. Do not share the OTP, PIN, password, or banking details. And medical phishing, which score got 100, over 100. Here we show another type of the sample of the SMS or the message, and try to scan. Here score we 30 over 100 spectacles. Bank Raya reminder, your monthly loan repay is due on 10th of June. And no detect the phone, no detect the email, no detect the link, and just come from the bank Raya, and no detect the phone numbers. And here we show the official number, got these two, and did not mention the bank of finance. Sorry. Message mention a bank or financial institutions. Message is related to money transfer, refund, or transactions. Another sample. Maybank service information. Customer service is 2658914744. Please use the official banking app for account service. I try to scan. It show safe low risk 10 over 100, and we detect the phone and no detect the email on the link and mentioned by Maybank. And this number is the official number of the Maybank. And the risk factors, message mention a bank of financial institutions, and the phone detected phone number match the official bank number database. So the low risk detection, so can do the actions, taking the actions. We try another sample. Okay, here we show, dear customer, your bank account has been submitted. Log in now using this link and enter your username, password, and OTP. Contact support bank verify XYZ for help. And detection, we did not have detection the phone, we detect the email and detection the link and did not mention the bank. No supporting bank name detect for official phone comparings. Risk factors, mention a bank finalized institutions and use urgent or fear-based language. Mention sensitive data such as OTP, PIN, password, or login. And message asks user to click, verify, update, call, or login. And detect the email address, link also detected. Typical domain injection detect. And possible fake bank related link detections. Subprecause domain attention detections, bank verify FYZ, and view possible fake bank related link detections. Bank verify XYZ. So we can recommend that is do not click any link, do not call any numbers, and do not share OTP pins, password, or banking details. For the 2B, modify the banking approved A offline below to become priority. The current bank queue switch fetches is considered relative. Here show the bank transfer page. If let's say I will accept a message and I do the transfer, it will also detect the message SMS of here, and you will show the wish we got checking through device offline section, checking bank apps identity and temper threaded in pass, scanning relay SMS, clipboard interaction with warning, preparing transfer safely, look for next page. Okay, here we got the medium pre-transfer risk. And we also detect the because scan keyword immediately. And message asks user to call a phone number outside the apps. Bank apps. And you try to proceed the transfer page. You can select the bank account you have. Okay. Here we show the after scanning the medium. I transfer. Okay. And I did not know the name, so I just give a name. Here's is an example and transfer to Maybank. And here will show the first time receive. Okay, it's first time receive. Personal transfer. And I create, and this is for SMS message. Okay, review transfer. Run again the security check. We will score perimeter risk, we get 100 over 100. Reset or account match the demo. Okay, which list. User name look like speaker or fake, but it's not the trans player list. And first time and or new receiver selected. Transfer amount is higher to normal daily spending. Instructions come for SMS. Instruction ask the user to call a phone number outside the apps. Spam because will detect immediately. Both approve and hold of the bank review. Users should call the official bank hotline only. Will block on and hold by the bank. If I type 6 number of secure pin, also cannot be approved. So will be reject. Okay, will be successful to reject and return back to the page. Now we try another sample. We run again. Show all the paths and show row pre-transfer risk to 25 over 100. And this one recognize is transfer online demo device. And measure ask user to call a phone outside the bank apps. Okay. Okay, main bank. And I know the person and I create myself for this transaction. Okay. Here I get the medium risk, got 30 over 100. Okay, as a phone call, add 6 digital secure pin. I know this is the person, nobody forced me. And no for typical SMS, call, email, or link. And I understand the scam risk. I create the 6 number so I can approve for this transfer transactions. Okay, it will be successful. Okay, this is my all. Thank you.